Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Freelander 2.2, it's a TD4 GS 4-wheel drive. Now, 104,000 miles, but 11 services and a big spec car. MOT till the end of September 2025. Serviced at 7, 18, 21, 28, 36, 43, 49, 68, 76, 86, 94 and 104,000 miles. 11 services. Now you'll see mud flaps, running boards, privacy glass, front park sensors, headlamp washers. Now this car also has satellite navigation, heated seats, electric seats, black, it's part leather and suede seats. So rear park sensors, alloys, not corroded, all 4 alloys immaculate with good tyres. So big spec this. Got the Land Rover fitted mats, got the Alpine branded hi-fi. You can switch your airbag for the passenger seat off there. Electric seat, heated seat, leather suede, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, heated seats, 6-speed manual diesel 4-wheel drive. Had about 4,600 quid's worth of options. So sat nav, heated front seats, cold climate pack, air quality sensing, upgraded climate control, leather steering wheel, privacy glass, parking aid front, split alloys style 2, body side mouldings, Alpine branded radio 6 CD, good spec, good spec for a GS, and it is, very well serviced, and you can just tell everywhere you look at it's in a lovely condition, hasn't been painted or messed with, not dented, scratched in any way, just a real clean, very nice to drive Freelander. Bright as a button. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, Alpine hi-fi, automatic headlamps, steering wheel with Bluetooth, cruise control. It's done 104,712 miles. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone, heated seats, not worn, the leather's not worn anything on the seats. Satellite navigation. There you go, there's your sat nav. Add Bluetooth, there you go. Heated seat buttons are down there. Joy to pleasure to drive, really is. Right, price £6,395. Lot of very nice Freelander for that. Remember, just service, long MOT, 11 services. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.